Alrighty, so we're moving right along, making some really good progress. So in this video, we're going to focus on step 3 of updating the instructor class. Alright, so let's go ahead and move back over to our project structure here. And let's zoom in here and let's grab that instructor.java that's in our entity package. And let's go ahead and open up this file. Alrighty, so I'll expand my window here, zoom out a bit so I can see everything. And basically we're going to add a new entry here for an instructor, right? Because an instructor can have many courses, so we need some type of relationship or some type of collection. So I'll just set this up as a list of courses. And make sure you choose the java.util.list. That's the collection that we're using to represent this data structure. All right, so let's go ahead and add our relationship here. So we're going to have a one-to-many. So an instructor can have many courses. And then I'll say that this is mapped by instructor. Remember, this mapped by refers to the instructor property in the course class. All right, so we're an instructor right now. We're referencing the course class, and this course class has an instructor field. So that's kind of the one-to-many relationship using mapped by. All right, and then also remember our real-world project requirement that says, hey, don't apply cascading deletes. So I need to use the fine-grained control on those cascade types. Instead of typing it all over again, I'm kind of getting lazy. I know I've done this before, so let me move over to the course class and let me just copy all of those cascade types from the course class. So right now I'm in course.java. I'll just go ahead and copy those items and then I'll move them back to my instructor class, or copy them back to my instructor class. So just do a little copy here. Move over to instructor and then just do a little paste here. Okay, copy paste programming. We love it. Here, we're not going to apply the cascading delete. So we only have persist, merge, refresh, and detach. We're not using remove because we don't want to do the cascading deletes. So that's basically our relationship we've set up here in this instructor class. So an instructor can have a list of courses. So this is good so far. And then since we added a new field here, we kind of need to move to the bottom of this file. Let's just add our getters and setters here for our courses. And I'll just choose the box here for courses. Keep all the other defaults here and hit OK. And I need to do one more thing here. I need to add a convenience methods for bi-directional relationships here. So this is just a convenience method, makes things a little easier for us. Also helps set up that bi-directional relationship between instructors and courses, because we want to be able to go either way. Start with instructor, go to course, or start with course and go to instructor. So here we'll have this method called add. They'll pass in a course. So I just do some basic work up front here. Check to see if courses equals null. If so, create a new list. And then here I'll just say courses.add the temp course. I'm basically adding this course to the list of courses for this given instructor. And then I also set up this bi-directional relationship. So I'll also say, hey, course, here's your new instructor. So it's kind of like a meet and greet between the course and the actual instructor. So they're kind of shaking hands now, and they're actually acknowledging each other as far as, hey, we're nice and we like to play well together. All right, so that kind of knocks out everything that we need to have set up for this bi-directional relationship here between the courses and the instructor.